long time I wondered, how does Allah describe the meaning of our existence?
Of all the things that you could have picked.
No,
really. That's all you could have picked to give advice.
This is my first time coming back on stage.
And fire still burns deep inside.
Because of that, I will use my famous word. Bravo.
Repeat. Higher, a bit higher. And again, one more. Seeing. There, right there. Go.
But Shaitan had his hooks. Deep inside them he clawed and gave them a flame from the darkest pits of his soul.
We need you to come in front of the screen now. We need everyone to know who you are.
You are mullah and mullah and mullah and mullah.
The Shia voice introduce you to the world.
Who would need Valentine's Day when Ali had already created the night of Thursday?